Alright, in the spirit of some efficiency, I'm starting off with gloves today so I don't have to decide halfway through, oh my gosh, I need gloves. Alright, my overall goal is to move methodically. There is no good place to stand, so we're just gonna have to figure it out. Ah, sugar syrup's empty, bees everywhere. Okay, I think my slow and steady I've already got messed up on, so they already seem irritated. Okay, I am gonna say, I am not exactly super knowledgeable, but I am gonna say I see either honey or sugar water, which is a step in the right direction on the question of do they have food. Maybe it's a little too soon to call it, but I'm gonna call it. I say that is brood, which is a good sign. So I really think my main job is to look for the queen, which I should probably consider if there's a queen excluder. That would tell me I won't find the queen. But so far I don't think there's a queen excluder on this, so I'll just keep looking. I should mention, if you see a queen, you're gonna have to tell me, because thus far it's been pretty rare that I have found them on my own. Kind of don't want to hang out too long looking for the queen because I want to keep moving. Queen's not really going to be on the top, is she? I don't think so. Okay, I say there's food here, there's brood here, and definitely a lot of bees, so I'm gonna say we're on the right path. I'm gonna keep looking. Whoa. Okay, they're mad at me now. Woo. Ah! Dang it. Dang it, the gloves! Okay, changing to 2 pair of gloves now because I'm still so at the beginning of this. That is pretty disappointing. Ah! Dang it. They are all over the place. Should I give up for a second? I might have to. Okay, hold on. Is that what you normally do? Just keep going? Ah, these guys are mad. I am not going any further. Plan B, plan B. Oh. Okay, these guys are so loud and so mad and so all over me, and I've been stung. I am calling these guys good enough for now. I'm gonna give it a little break for them to chill out, and then I'll hang out with their neighbors for a little bit. Ugh.